ora, my cousins. It's me, Buzz, and welcome to Te Tai Tokerau, the far north of Aotearoa, New Zealand. I grew up here on the family farm with my brother John Boy, my dad Frank, my mum Kim, and Zion the dog. Are you ready to come on some epic little missions with me? Mean, hoa ke tātou. And today, hey, what's that? I discover something mysterious in the forest. I go time traveling. Whoa! I get to paddle a real-life waka, Tūmeke, and Dad challenges me to a tua taste-off. Who's going to win? Oh, where? Kia ora, my cousins. Me and Dad are just preparing some delicious tua fritters.
Kia ora koutou.
Yesterday I went on an epic mission to Pūheke to collect some tua for us. Let me take you back. Oh, haramai cousins, we're on a mission to go and get tua. Check the surroundings. I love tua fritters. They're one of my favourite feeds. I'm going to head to Pūheke to see if I can find any. Oh, I've got my bucket and my dance moves all ready. Look out. Me haro. Okay, now before we go hunting for any tua, we need to know how many tua we're allowed to gather. At Pūheke, you're allowed to take 150 tua each. Protect the kaimoana. Wow, we made it! Pūheke, I love you so much 'cause you are Tūmeke. Pūheke. When I move like this, I look like a wheke. Wheke. All right, let's get my bucket. Come on! Cheer, my cousins. Welcome to Pūheke. Take my gumboots off. Now we're ready to go. All right. Miti runga, miti raro, miti haha. Tohia te wai. Ko te wai nā wai, eke panuku, eke tangaroa. Huie, tai kie. Ka pai, let's test out the water. Oh, he tino makariri te wai. Oh, I'm going to have to do heaps of dancing to stay warm. I call this one the tua tango. Tua live just underneath the sand, so you have to get your dance moves on and wiggle your feet down till you find them. Oh, boy. Do the wheke, do the wheke, do the wheke, do the wheke. I got another one! Titino! I've already got heaps! Whoa, Tino, my cousins! I've already collected 1, 2, 7, 3, 5, 40! I know I can take 150, but my puku says it's just me and Dad, and that's enough for a feed. Take only what you need, my cousins. Tūmeke! Ngā mihi tangaroa! Ngā mihi. Oh, here, cousins. You're back from the flashback. Hey, Pūheke is beautiful, eh?
Hey, Buzz. How about you and I have a tua competition?
That's amazing. Welcome to the amazing tua taste-off. Kia ora, I'm Buzz the Cuz.
And I am Dad.
Today, I'm gonna make my own flavour of tuatua fritters, and Dad is gonna make his own flavour. Then they will be judged by our esteemed judges. All right, you have 20 minutes to make the best tuatua fritter you can.
Ready, steady, go.
Me go first.
Bit of a raru in the pantry there.
Hey, stop blocking.
Bloody Dad still got it, eh? Oh, hey, cuzzies. When you're cooking in the kitchen, make sure you always have an adult with you. Hey, Dad.
Yeah, Buzz.
Yes. Oh, Turbo.
Yeah, mate. We're not here to play games. I'm here to win.
See, I like what Dad's doing there. He's got the old school stirring method.
Yep.
Look at this. Eyes closed.
All right, I better see how these tuatua fritters are shaping up, eh?
So, Dad, tell me, what's in your fritters?
I got parsley, spring onion, bit of salt, egg, milk, flour, mixing it all up.
Perfect. Well, it's looking tasty. I can't wait to try them.
You mightn't be enough for you.
Ooh, this fella, eh? Cheeky fella.
All right.
That looks interesting, Buzz.
What Dad doesn't know is I've got a secret sauce I'm gonna put on the top of it at the end.
Oh, man, that's interesting. I can't wait to see that.
Thank you.
What's that out the window?
All right, contestants, you have 10 more minutes. Two for me.
Let the competition continue.
Wow, that's a big fritter.
We're ready to come out. Perfect.
Only a couple fritters to go.
Here we go. Come on, brother.
And that is time. Contestants, please hand in your tuatua fritters. Good luck, Dad.
Good luck, son. Let's try Buzz's one first.
Now we will try Dad's. Well done, contestants. You have delivered some fantastic tuatua fritters, but we have come to a decision, and there can only be one winner. Based on presentation, smell, taste, and sauce, the winner is Dad. Yes, Dad. Buzz, you won. You're the winner.
Look how naughty you live.
You're amazing.
You done well.
Kia ora, my cousins. It's me, Buzz. In the Ngahere. I'm just off on a nature walk. I'm going to stretch my legs in Te Taiao. Hoake tātou. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Perfect. Let's keep going. Isn't this beautiful? Woo! Hey, what's that? Cousins, titiro. Look, over there. Have another look. Come on. Oh, check it out. Someone's done a really cool painting on this toka and left it like a treasure to be found. I found it. Ka rawe. Hey, look, there's some more. That one has a rainbow on it. Ue nuku. That one has a heart on it. Ngako. Oh, look, I can see one and it's painted like a ladybug. Oh, hey, what's on that one? Come on, cousins. Oh, check it out, my cousins. It looks like a honu. Turtle. Hey, I wonder who painted all of these toka. It might have been a patu paerehe. Huh? I want to be a patu paerehe. Hey, I've got an idea. I'm going to paint some of my own toka and leave them in the ngahere for people to find. Come on, my cousins. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I've got all of my toka. This one I've already painted white so that you can see the colours better. What am I going to paint on this one? I know, let's paint Te Rā, the sun. Okay, all right, I'm just going to draw the horizon line here. Then I'm going to draw Te Rā just like that. And now I'm just going to draw the rays of Tamanui Te Rā. Rua, toru, rawe. Okay, first I'm going to start with karaka orange. That's going to be the colour of my sky, of my sunset. Now I'm going to use some kahurangi, blue, for the moana. Tangaroa. Oh, it's looking good. Perfect. Now I'm going to use some kōwhai, yellow, for Tamanui Te Rā. Maybe I can use some some white for the waves. Perfect! Check it out, my cousins. I've finished my first toka. A beautiful sunset with Tamanui Te Rā. Pretty cool, eh? All right, let's move on to the next toka. What am I gonna do now? I know, something else. I'm gonna make the galaxies. First off, I'm just gonna paint the outer rim of the rock black. Pango. Looking good. Now I'm gonna try and paint some fetsu, some stars. Tirama, tirama ngā whetū, painting you on a toka too. Check it out! On this toka, I've painted heaps of whetū. All right, one more toka to do. This one, I'm gonna write my name on it. Buzz the Cuz on the toka. Perfect, I'm all finished. And now, for my favourite part, let's go and find a beautiful spot to hide these tonga. Hoake tātou. let's find some cool spots for our toka. Come on, cousins. Ka pai, I'm gonna put tamanui te rā right here. Okay, come on. And now for my whetū. Where am I gonna put you? Feeling the wairua, feeling the wairua. Right here! Ka pai. Now, for my last toka. Over there. Ka rawe. I wonder who's gonna come along and find all of my treasures. One step closer to becoming a patu paiarehe. Ka kite anō e te whānau. Nick a minute. Oh, kia ora, my cousins. Hey, I love my truck. It's got four-wheel drive, it's got a radio, AC, it's got plenty of room in the back, heaps of room for my giraffe. Pretty choice, eh? Hey, I wonder how people got around i ngā rao mua in the old days. Oh, did they have a truck like mine? I wish I could go time traveling. I'll be able to figure that out. I wonder if I've got something in my truck. Let me see. Hold on, excuse me, Mr. Giraffe. Nothing there. What do we have here? Oh, no. A time traveling button. I forgot I had this in here. Hey, cousins, do you want to come time traveling with me to see what people used as transport in the olden days? Ka pai! Let's go back, say, 500 years. Te rua toru hoake tātou. Whoa! Hey, I don't see any vehicles anywhere. There's no waka at all. Oh! Tēnā koe hoa? I'm Buzz the Cuz, a time traveller from the future. What's that? The Cuzzy just said that there were no vehicles around here 500 years ago. They used these little fellas to cart their equipment around. You're a little bit small for me to ride though, eh? I know. Let's travel back to 200 years ago and see what we can find. I'll let you in on a little secret. We travel in the sky in the future. All right, hoake tātou. Whoa, hey, this is more like it. Look, it's got a place for me to sit. Oh, it's got giant wheels. It's even got a little bit of suspension in it. Wait, it doesn't have a roof. Whoa, it's really high up as well too. Hey, where's the motor? Oh, there's the motor. It's the horse. Hang on a second. That's not a real hoi-ho. I don't think this is gonna work out for me. Wait, I'll just test. Nope, definitely not a real hoi-ho. All right, let's travel back 100 years ago. Hoake tātou. Whoa, all this time travel's really discombobulating to my neural pathways. Oh, hey, let's see what we've got. Whoa, it's a Wakapatuahi. Check it out, it's a fire truck from 100 years ago. I bet I could go really fast in this. Hey, it's got no roof though, and if it rains, there's nowhere to put my giraffe. Oh well, let's keep time travelling. Te rua toru hoake. Whoa! Whoa! Check out this little cutie patootie. It looks perfect in the colour. Oh my gosh, this could be the perfect Buzzmobile. It's even got a roof. Oh, uh-oh. I can see one big problem. Or should I say, one small problem. He iti rawa tēnei waka. This car is so small. It's like a Shetland pony, but with wheels. People must have been super tiny 60 years ago. Whoa! We've been time travelling everywhere, my cousins, and we still haven't found the perfect olden days waka. What do you reckon there, Hoa? Hey? We should try again. I think you're right. Come out there, wehi, Buzz. Mahi o te mahi. Don't give up. Reheko. All right, whānau, it's a lucky dip. Let's see where we end up. Hoake. Woo! Whoa! Check it out! It's a 56 Chevy Bel Air! Whoa, from 68 years ago! $265 cubic inch with a V8 motor and enough ponies to bye-bye! Hey, it's even the same pakeke as my dad. My dad's 68 years old too. It's even my favourite colour. It's so shiny and sparkly, and look at all the cool bits in it. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's just right. The perfect Buzzmobile. What do you reckon there, Hoa? Exactly. Let's ride. Ka kite anō, my cousins. Oh, kia ora, my cousins. What a beautiful day it is out here on the farm. Tēnā koe, tamanui te rā. I was just thinking about this amazing mission I went on. Do you just want to hear the story? Ka pai. Okay, this is a story about waka. It all started when I met my mate Billy.
Kia ora, bro.
Kia ora, cuz.
Mean ride?
Yeah, this is my waka.
Call that a waka?
Yeah, ko Honda te waka.
Sure. What's your name, bro?
Oh, ko Buzz the cuz tōku ingoa.
That's Buzzy.
Yeah, I suppose it is. Ko wai tō ingoa.
Billy, bro.
Oh, kia ora, Billy. Hey, where's your waka?
I've got a real waka.
Hey.
Wanna see it?
Yeah. Kia ora, cuz.
Kia ora, bro. I'll drive.
Oh, yeah.
Well, my bro, welcome to the Kupe Waka Centre.
Ooh, maru wehi ana. This place is amazing.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, bro. Well, that's us. Go check out our waka.
Yeah, oake tātou. Whoa, check it out, cousins. Far out. Billy, do you build these?
Yeah, bro.
Tell me everything. What's its name?
The name of this waka is Te Ika Maui, the fish of Maui.
People actually call me Maui sometimes. Just, you know, brave, courageous, cheeky. Yeah. Hey, so what is this waka made out of?
This waka is made out of a single kauri log from Te Waunui-a-Tāne.
Oh, where? How long is this waka?
13 metres long, and it weighs about 1.2 tonne.
Ah, this waka is huge, cuzzies. What do the mahi whakairo on the side represent?
They tell the story of the fish of Maui.
And Maui fished up the stingray, eh?
The North Island boat, Tika.
Far out, he's strong as. I reckon I could be strong like him one day. Maui! Oh. How long do you think it takes you to build one of these waka?
About 4 to 5 months to build a waka like this.
So, hey, where's the motor?
You're looking at him, bro.
Oh, guns. Oh, I reckon I could be a motor as well too. I'd probably be like maybe a 3 or 4 horsepower motor.
Oh, we're gonna find out today, bro.
We're gonna find out today. Hey, do you reckon that I'll be able to have a go at trying to do the lashings?
Yeah, I can teach you how to lash.
Come on, cuzzies. Tēnā koe te ka Maui. All right, let's go. Oh, awesome. So is this the lashing station, Billy?
Yeah, bro, so right now I'm gonna teach you how we lash the rauawa to the waka. So, the first thing I'm gonna do is pass this rope to you through the top hole, and you're gonna pull all the rope through.
Okay, cool. Pulling rope through.
Right, now when you pull that tight, I'm gonna plug my hole.
Yep, pulling tight.
Now you're gonna pass your end through the bottom hole, back to me. I want you to grab this peg, and you're gonna plug it into the bottom hole.
Pulling. Hey, how long do you reckon it'll take for me to become a good lasher?
About 3 or 4 canoes, bro. You have to do about 1,000 holes.
Yeah. Oh, lashing with my bro on a waka no re.
How do you like lashing, Buzz?
I think I like lashing. It's pretty meditative. Meditative. I think it's pretty cool, actually. I want to be able to learn how to build waka as good as you can.
Do you want to paddle one?
I'd love to.
I've got the perfect waka, bro.
No way.
Yeah, my bro.
Oh, this is amazing. Hey, so what's the name of this waka?
So the name of this waka is Tukariri, bro.
Miharo. And is there a pūrākau behind this waka?
There is. So this waka is actually a replica of an old canoe that an old kuia used to paddle from Kenana to Manganui to do her shopping and back. So this waka is an old design.
Ka rawe. Hey, so am I ready to row a waka?
We don't row waka, bro. We paddle them.
Ooh, sorry, cuz. Am I ready to paddle a waka?
Just about, bro.
Oh,
Life jacket. Safety first.
safety first. Put my life jacket on. Boom. Ka rawe. This is amazing. I've always wanted to paddle a waka like our tupuna did. I love my life. And that's the buzz, my cuz.